Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another day in the Best Advice Ever Life channel, where the best advice is no advice given. What's up, guys? So it's the morning. I did not wake up as early as I wanted to. As a matter of fact, I woke up earlier than that. I kept waking up to go to the bathroom, and that's what happens when you drink tea before you go to bed. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll not be doing that again because it was crazy. At one point I forgot to put my CPAP machine on, and so I woke up at about, I would say, 4 o'clock in the morning and used the bathroom, and then put it back on. Do I have things on there? Look at that. I got lines. That's it, bros. This is the beginning of the old stick coming in. Now it looks like I'm gonna have some. I have some lines here, bros. We can try to stave it off for as long as possible, but age catches up to us all at some point. We can fight it. We can do all the things. We can get mad, we can get angry, we can spend all of our money on all the things, or we can accept it gracefully, and say, okay, this is my next phase. But it doesn't mean that you just give up and just grow old and die into a husk. No. You do things to help keep you active, like drinking those smoothies that have the beets in them and the greens in them, along with the citruses and things like that. You do things I do things to help my body take care of itself, I also do things that don't help take care of it, like, eating processed sugars that swell your knees up. So there's that. So if I don't want to be in pain, at least with swelling of knees, that is what I'm going to have to start doing. Oh, hey, we're going to switch that in-depth conversation of getting wisdom years and all those things to my coffee. So I've got my coffee cup, and I got one of these doohickey dudes from Temu, because I got I think it was like 50 random ones for like $10 or something like that. I figured I could give them as gifts and stuff, since that's the in-trend thing, and stuff. And I'm like, I'm not going to spend, $5-6 for that. So got a bunch of them that I tried out. I'd say, when I'm leaving when I have my my cup outside, or when I leave my doors open when it's nice and cool out, I'll keep the flies and the bees from going into my cup and then getting stuck in the straw and then dying or eventually drowning. That's good. Save the bees. Yay. Unless they sting you and then they're gonna die, because which I'm still dealing with this thumb here. Look at that. It's all swollen. Look at that. It's all swollen and everything. It just stays swollen. What the hell? This was like 2-3 weeks ago, probably 3 weeks ago now, and my thumb still has that. It'll go down. It'll be fine when I take Motrin. But I'm not gonna sit here and take Motrin for the rest of my damn life. But it feels like there's like a piece of the stinger, still in there. Oh, the sun's baking my arm, bros. So, but anyway, this morning chat is just all over the place. So I ordered a selfie stick, since I'm doing this more often because I'm not at work right now. I'm on my little mini sabbatical. I gotta say, I like being on my mini sabbatical. I like not having to go in and have people yell at me for things that are not my fault, or have employers that are supposed to be leaders and all, and what they do is they join the mean girl. They're head of their own little mean girls club. I gotta hate on someone, right? And then cry and bitch and moan about all the things. And then what are they doing to help the situation? Nothing. They're doing nothing to help the situation. I'm like, I don't want to work for you. You're an asshole. Let me just not be part of that assholeness. So anyway, so that's where I am right now, trying to figure out what I want to do, where I want to go, all those things, right? I know I still want to work, but I just want to enjoy where I'm at, you know? But anyway, not the point of the story. Point of the story is, today is Sunday. It's May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. Yesterday was May 4th, or May the 4th be with you. So that was cute to see those little memes and stuff like that. So today's Sunday. Now, when I was a kid, my dad used to take Sundays and he would clean the entire house, right? He'd tell the stepmother, go out, have a good time, do whatever they want to do. Or the one that had children, you know, take your kids out, you know, just go do something else, right? And me and my brother got the short end of that stick. We got to sit there and smell the pine sol and the ammonia and all the chemicals and things. You know what we got to do? We got to sit on the couch and watch Jimmy Swaggart and watch the other televangelists that later on were, you know, arrested and caught in fraud and whatever it is else they were doing, right? And I'm like, thanks, Dad. That's amazing. So me and my brother, instead of getting to go out and play and do things, we got to sit on the couch, watch, you know, a freaking television show that absolutely hated, because that was not entertainment to me. It's just a man screaming on stage, telling you what to do. I'm like, yeah, I'm not really into that. Not at all. But anyway, I'm still really into these lines here. They're deep, girls. They're deep. Anyway, sorry about that. So today, I'm going to put on some country music, and I'm going to continue my cleaning and organizing journey. So that I'm not going to show you what it looks like now, because there's been no improvement. There's nothing to look at. But I have some more organizing bins coming in today, hope around 10 o'clock or so. So I'm going to put those for the bedroom, and I think, yeah, so I'm going to finish the table, get the table cleared off, and then I'm going to start in on the bedroom. And then once I get the bedroom organized and cleaned up and vacuumed and everything, then I'm going to start in on the closet. And that's the one where it's going to be the biggest improvement, because I need room on these shelves out here, or at least on the table, so I can stage the games that I'm going to be selling. And I'll show you pictures of them. So, you know, if anyone says, hey, I want to get a game, great. I'll tell you how much it is to ship it, because I'm not paying for that. Nah. If you live around here, you know, or something like that, you know, in the Phoenix area, you know, hey, we'll do a thing, right? We could do a meetup or something like that. Not where I live at, because we ain't doing that. But anyway, but I'm pretty sure no one around here is seeing this. But that's not the point. The point of the story is that I will finally be able to put some shelves up and get my survival staging ready. And then we're going to go into all the things, right? Getting prepped and everything. I love prepping. Really, I love prepping. Anyway, this video has already been about 10 minutes. So peace out. Live your best life. Grab yourself a cup of coffee. Go do the things. And yeah, just go do it. All right. Peace out, bros. Thanks.